Good morning, I am Ashley and I'm a second year vet student at SGU. For today, I'm going to be taking you with me to show you what a typical day looks like as a Term 4 vet student. So for today, I do have technically 4 hours of lecture in the morning. One of them is optional, so I'm not going to go to that one because I did the module yesterday and I felt pretty good on it. But for class today, I have my exotics class, Pathology 2, and anesthesiology. And then I do have my intro to surgical skills later this afternoon. And in between, I do have about 3 hours of research to do with my research mentors. I will be running some PCRs on some samples that they got yesterday. It's going to be a pretty long day. I don't think I'm getting home until like 4:30 at the earliest. Let's get this done. I'm about to head to class. I have like another hour before class starts, but I always like getting there sooner just so I can knock out some of my Anki decks. If you do enjoy videos like these and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel, like this video. It lets me know that you guys like this type of content, and I hope you do enjoy the video. I am back from class and it was so busy today. It's 4:30 now, so I am going to get some dinner shortly. But for the classes, everything went pretty well. I did do research for about 3 hours today, which was kind of expected because I'm learning the techniques of extracting DNA from whole blood. That's kind of a process to learn, especially when I'll eventually be moving on to the PCR steps and then finally figuring out if a patient has the disease or pathogen that we are looking for. And then for my surgical skills lab, that went pretty well too. I finally figured out what I was doing wrong last night with the surgeon's stitch, so finally got that figured out on how to do. Everything else with the horizontal, vertical, interrupted, simple patterns, I've got those. The cruciate is another one that we learned how to do today. I am starving, so now it's time for some food. It is almost 11 o'clock, so I am going to get some sleep. I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you all have a great day, and I will catch you on the next vlog.